Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load xgame runtime.dll error code 126 in Windows 11 or 10. So, this message usually or typically indicates that dynamic link library DLL file required by a program or application is either missing or corrupted. So, usually when you're opening a game, are same and the solution are also identical here. So you can uninstall and reinstall gaming service. You can use Windows PowerShell. You can press Windows X and select the administrator. Here you can copy this command line to your Windows PowerShell thanks to howtoconnect.com to make it easier. And also here you can update apps from the Microsoft Store. You can go to your Microsoft Store and get updates. And also you can repair and reset gaming service. So if you have a gaming services, you can repair it. And also here you can modify Windows registry entries, but I don't recommend it. And also you can download Xbox on Windows. So if you don't have Xbox app, you can try to download it to fix this xgame runtime error. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you next time.